Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.